So this first in-human phase 1 clinical trial was exploring a novel new CD70 allogeneic CAR T-cell product in patients with relapsed refractory metastatic kidney cancer. The study followed a 3+3 study design. We are exploring in this study 4 different dose levels, ranges from 40 million to 240 million of the CD70 CAR T cells, ALLO-316. We reached the 3rd dose level in this study, and we continue to accrue. So the main results from this early phase clinical trial, we did not find any concerning safety signals outside what we usually see in the autologous CAR T-cell products. For instance, the cytokine release syndrome, CRS, was around 58%, and majority of these patients, except one, was low-grade CRS. One patient had a grade 3, which was manageable as well. Other than that, most of the side effects were as expected with the autologous CAR T-cell. But when it comes to the secondary endpoint, the anti-tumor activity, we were very encouraged with this study being an early phase. We're very encouraged with the efficacy results we have seen so far in the first 19 patients we treated. From these 19 patients, 18 patients were evaluable for efficacy. And if you look at the disease control rate for the patients who have CD70 positive expression, that was 100%, and then the objective response rate was 30%. Again, these results are early prelim, but very encouraging, and especially taking into account that those results, response rates, and disease control were at low dose levels. Most of these patients received dose level 1 and 2. We didn't reach yet to the highest dose level 4. The study continues to accrue across several centers in the United States. Our goal by end of 2023 to finish the dose escalation phase and find the optimum expansion and phase 2 dose. We also hope to include more disease subtypes, not just patients with carcinoma in the expansion cohort. I want to end up by saying we are really very encouraged by these data from the first in-human clinical trial, particularly the very encouraging response rates we have seen at the low dose levels. 100% disease control rate and 30% objective response rate in patients who are heavily pretreated with relapsed refractory renal cell carcinoma is really encouraging to see. And these data highlight the potential for an allogeneic CAR T-cell product really much needed for the patients with kidney cancer and hopefully other cancers. These data from the TRAVERSE study provide a proof of concept that CAR T-cell therapy can hopefully be a potential treatment for patients with kidney cancer and solid tumors.